What are the most misunderstood facts in science? Have you ever wondered if everything you know about science is actually true? Many commonly accepted ideas are not what they seem. Let's take a look at some surprising facts that challenge our beliefs. First, blood is never blue inside your body. Many people think veins look blue because the blood inside them is blue. In reality, blood is always red. Oxygen-rich blood is bright red, while oxygen per blood is dark red. The blue appearance comes from how light penetrates and scatters through your skin and tissues. Next, lightning does not cause thunder. Instead, thunder is the sound created by lightning. When lightning strikes, it heats the air around it to temperatures hotter than the sun's surface. This extreme heat causes the air to expand rapidly and then contract, resulting in the thunderclap we hear. Another misunderstood fact is about the Earth's interior. Many believe it is mostly molten rock, but the truth is that the Earth's interior is mostly solid. While the outer core is liquid metal, the mantle beneath the crust is solid rock that moves very slowly over millions of years through a process called convection. This slow movement drives plate tectonics but is often mistaken for molten lava flowing beneath the surface. Now, let's talk about genes. It is a common misconception that genes code for just one protein. In fact, a single gene can produce multiple different proteins depending on how the genetic information is processed inside cells. Additionally, many genes do not code for proteins at all but serve other important roles. You may have heard that the Great Wall of China is visible from space. However, astronauts say it is difficult to see with the naked from orbit. Other human-made structures and city lights are often more visible than the Great Wall. Another myth is that heat loss from the human body mostly occurs through the head. In reality, heat escapes proportionally from any exposed skin area. This myth likely arose because people often see their heads uncovered in cold weather, but the body loses heat evenly. The Amazon rainforest is often said to produce 20% of the Earth's oxygen. While it is a major site of photosynthesis, the oxygen output is roughly balanced by the oxygen consumed by its organisms. The oxygen in the atmosphere accumulated over billions of years from many sources. You might also think that glass is a slow-moving liquid. However, glass is actually a solid at room temperature and does not flow over time, even though it can appear amorphous like a liquid. Lastly, there is a belief that birds will abandon their babies if touched by humans. This myth has no scientific basis. Most birds have a limited sense of smell and will continue to care for their young even after human contact. These facts show how scientific truths can be hidden beneath layers of misunderstanding. The next time you hear a common fact, remember it might just be one of science's most unusual myths.